In this video, we're going to discuss the word "который" that in Russian means three things: which, that, and who. Hello, this is Anna. I'm a Russian language teacher from New York City. It's very nice to see you on my YouTube channel. As I said in the beginning of this video, in Russian we have only one word that means three things in English: which, that, and who. The word is "который". "Который" changes in genders and in cases and has a plural form. So in the nominative case, we will have "который", "которая", "которое", and "которые". This word is used in the middle of the sentence as the connector. It connects two sentences. The reason we use this word is not to repeat the same noun again and again and again. Let's look at this example. Это человек. This is a person. Этот человек тебе звонил. This person called you. We don't usually speak like that, right? So we will combine these two sentences into one. We will say, this is the person who called you. And here we will use the word который. So the word that we are going to replace, человек, is masculine. In the second sentence, it's in the nominative case, this person called you. So my word который will mimic the gender and the case of this word. I will say, это человек, который тебе звонил. This is the person who called you. Это человек, который тебе звонил. Let's look at another example, feminine. Let's say, это женщина. This is a woman. Эта женщина работает в нашей фирме. This woman works in our company. So let's combine these two sentences and say, this is the woman who works in our company. Эта женщина is feminine and again nominative. So I will say, эта женщина, которая работает в нашей фирме. Это женщина, которая работает в нашей фирме. Let's look at neutral. Это платье. This is a dress. Я видела это платье в журнале. I saw this dress in the magazine. Let's combine it. This is the dress I saw in the magazine. Это платье, которое я видела в журнале. So I'm replacing the word это платье from the second sentence. It is neutral. It is accusative case here because I saw it. It's a direct object. But you know that in accusative case, neutral stays the same. That's why I just use the word которое. That is the same as in its nominative form. Plural. Это люди. These are the people. Эти люди купили машину. These people bought a car. So we will combine it into these are the people who bought the car. Это люди, которые купили машину. I'm replacing the word these people, which is plural and nominative. They act, they are the subject. These people bought the car. So I use the plural nominative form of which, которые. Это люди, которые купили машину. Let's look at a few more examples. Let's say, I'm looking for a person who can help me. Я ищу человека. Человек here is in the accusative case. Who can help me? In the second part of the sentence, who is subject. Who can help? That's why the word который again is in the nominative case. And it's masculine because the word I'm replacing, a person, is masculine. Который может мне помочь. Я ищу человека, который может мне помочь. Or for example, I want to read the book that is on the shelf. We can again divide this one compound sentence into two simple sentences. The first one will be I want to read the book. The second, the book is on the shelf. So, я хочу прочитать книгу. Here, книгу is accusative case, direct object. The second sentence, книга стоит на полке. The book is standing on the shelf, we'll say. So I'm replacing the second word книга, which is in the nominative case, feminine. So I will get «Я хочу прочитать книгу, которая стоит на полке». The word «который» is also very commonly used in definitions, of course. For example, парикмахер – это человек, который делает прически. A hairstylist is the person who creates hairstyles, hairdos. Or кофемашина – это аппарат, который варит кофе. A coffee machine is a machine that makes coffee. Кофемашина – это аппарат, который варит кофе. Аппарат, который. Or певица – это женщина, которая поет песни. A singer is a woman who sings songs. Певица – это женщина, которая поет песни. This word changes in cases, as I mentioned in the beginning, but we will discuss it next time. For now, let's just practice this word in its base form. So we're going to do one exercise. Please write your answers in the comments below. And if you like this video, please let me know with your likes and comments. They're very important for me. And this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Спасибо. Пока.